In this video, we are going to do the book back exercise, which is in your book page number 123. Okay, for your reference, I am going to write the page number here, 123. So, what do we need to do in this exercise? In this exercise, one child has been written the direct speech incorrectly. Okay, he was trying to write direct speech, but he done some mistake. So we are going to correct the mistakes whatever the child has done. Okay, so the question, the Roman has been given like this only, that there are 6 questions, but all these 6 sentences are the direct speech form only, but it has some mistake. Okay, they have some mistakes only. We need to write in proper direct speech. We need to write in proper direct speech form only. Okay, so what is direct speech? When we are reporting someone's speech only, the speaker has said something and we are just reporting it to you. Okay, we are just reporting, we are just delivering that speech directly without making any changes to the speaker's words, speaker's exact sentences or exact words. We are not going to change any words. We are going to put them in the inverted commas, that is in quotation mark. Okay, within the quotation mark we are going to report the direct speech only. Okay, so let's start doing the exercise. So here you can see I have written only the 3 questions. In this video we are going to do only 3 questions, and in the next video you can get the other 3 questions. Okay, so let me read out the first question for you. Madhi said to his mom, I have a toothache. Okay, Madhi said to his mom, I have a toothache. So Madhi வந்து அவங்க மம்மி கிட்ட என்ன சொன்னானா, மம்மி எனக்கு வந்து பல்வலி இருக்கு. Toothache means பல்வலி. Okay, எனக்கு இருக்கு அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. So here the child has already written in the direct speech form only, but he done some mistake. Can you find what is the mistake? When we are writing the speech in direct means we need to use inverted commas and comma, right? So but I can't see any inverted comma, that is quotation, and also the comma. So those whatever missing marks are missed in the sentences, that only we are going to do. Okay, so let me write the first word, that is the speaker. Who is the speaker here? Madhi is the speaker. So I am going to write Madhi. Then said, Madhi said to his mom. This will come as it is. Madhi said to his mom. Madhi வந்து அவங்க மம்மி கிட்ட இதுதான் சொன்னா. என்ன சொன்னா? Here after only we are going to write the speech of Madhi. Okay, Madhi is the speaker. So இப்போதான் நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஸ்பீச் வந்து எழுத போறோம். Madhi என்ன சொன்னா, அந்த ஸ்பீக்கர் என்ன சொன்னாங்க அது இப்போ எழுத போறோம்னா, before introducing the speech, which punctuation mark we need to use? I said yes, comma, that you need to keep in your mind. Speech எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இவங்க வந்து இதுதான் சொன்னாங்கன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி you need to put comma. Then you need to write whatever the speaker said. அந்த ஸ்பீக்கர் என்ன சொன்னாங்களோ அது எல்லாமே கமா போடுறதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் எழுதுவீங்க. பட் எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க என்ன எழுதணும்? You need to put comma, and this sentence should written in the inside the inverted commas, that is inside the quotation mark. Open quotation mark போட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் நீங்க காப்பி பண்ணணும். Okay, what do we need to copy? I have a toothache. This will come as it is. Madhi said to his mom, I have a toothache. Madhi வந்து மம்மி கிட்ட சொன்னா எனக்கு பல்லு வலி இருக்கு. அது அப்படியே நம்ம காப்பி பண்ணணும். So here I have a toothache. And it's end with full stop. So full stop இங்க போட்டாச்சு. Full stop போட்டுட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடணுமா? அப்படியே விட்டுட்டுமா? No, I need to close this quotation mark. Here open quotation mark போட்டாச்சு. Here I need to close. That's all. So this is the direct speech format. See, we need to write the speaker's name first, and he said to whom? யார்கிட்ட சொன்னாங்க? Madhi வந்து யார்கிட்ட சொன்னாங்க? மம்மி கிட்ட சொன்னாங்க. So Madhi said to his mom. What he said அந்த speech எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி we need to put comma to introduce the speech that we are going to write his speech. Okay, ஸோ அந்த ஸ்பீச் எங்கே எழுதுனா கமா போட்டுட்டு கொட்டேஷன் மார்க் நம்ம போடுறதுக்கப்புறம் அது உள்ள அவன் என்ன சொன்னானோ வித்தவுட் மாடிஃபைங் எதுவுமே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாமல் அதை அவன் சொன்னதை அப்படியே அதில் காப்பி பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். ஓகே, தென் ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப்பில் முடிஞ்சால் ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப், கொஷின் மார்க் எழுதிட்டு நீங்கள் அந்த கொட்டேஷன் மார்க்கை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணணும். Clear children? Okay, so let's do the second one. Mom said, let's go to the dentist. Mom said, let's go to the dentist. So mummy என்ன சொன்னாங்க, வா நம்ம வந்து dentist கிட்ட போலாம், பல் மருத்துவர் கிட்ட நம்ம போலாம்னு சொன்னாங்க. So here also the child has written the direct speech but he missed the inverted commas and comma, those things he have missed. So let's write the let's change the mistake and write in a proper way. Okay, so here the speaker is mom only, so mom name will come first, that is mom, and she said, mom said. So now I am going to write the mom's speech. Okay, mom enna pesnaanga adha eludhudhukku munadi na enna podanum, I need to write comma and then inverted commas, that is quotation mark. Quotation mark start பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நான் வந்து அவங்க என்ன ஸ்பீச் சொன்னாங்களோ என்ன ஸ்பீச் பண்ணாங்களோ அது வந்து எழுதணும். So here whenever you write the quotation mark, okay, quotation mark நீங்க எப்படி இந்த start open quotation mark நீங்க போட்டீங்கனாலே அந்த speech உடைய first letter should come in the capital letter one. Okay, so once if you put the inverted comma, the first letter of the first word should be in capital. So here the word is let's, so let's here should be in cap, let's, and all other words will come as it is. Let's go to the dentist. And it ends with full stop, so full stop will come here and we need to close this quotation mark, that is this inverted comma. So inga full stop போடுறதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நீங்க வந்து inverted comma போடணும், that is the close quotation, open quotation then close quotation போடணும். That's all the we have changed this sentence also into a proper direct speech. Clear children? So here the speaker is the mom, so mom name will come first and she said something, so mom said, and we are going to introduce this speech. Before introducing the speech we need to put the comma to show that we are going to introduce. So put the comma then quotation mark, the double quotation mark will come, and whenever we are putting the quotation mark next to the quotation mark, whenever you are writing any word, no, that word's first spelling should be in capital, then whatever the speaker said will come, which should be written as it is only without making any changes. And if it is ends with question mark means question mark, exclamation mark means exclamation mark, or full stop means full stop we need to put, and we need to end the sentence by closing the quotation mark. Clear? Okay, so let's go for the third one. Madhil said, I don't want to go to the dentist. Madhil said, I don't want to go to the dentist. I am scared of him. I am scared of him. So here the Madhil's speech is clear. So they have written the speech as it is, okay, without making any changes, without any changes they have written the exact words of Madhil. Madhil enna sonna, Madhil வந்து சொன்னா நான் வந்து டென்டிஸ்ட் கிட்ட போக மாட்டேன், எனக்கு அவரை பார்த்தாலே பயம், அவன் இப்படி தான் சொன்னா, அது அப்படியே அவங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல எழுதிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, I don't want to go to the dentist, I am afraid. So without making any changes they have written the speaker's words, speaker sentence. Now we need to check what they have missed, what are the mistakes they have done. Yes, Madhil said, Madhil is the speaker, he said something, so said is correct, but what next we should write? Yes, we need to write the comma, right? Comma should come to introduce the speech. Then we need to write the speech inside the quotation, inside the inverted commas, but here they didn't write, so that only we need to make the changes. So let's start writing the answer, that is Madhil said, after writing Madhil said, I need to put comma to introduce this speech. Then after putting the comma, I need to put the quotation mark, that is inverted mark. Then all of the speech will come as it is, that is I. This I should be in cap because it is the first word in the quotation mark. I don't want to go to the dentist. Full stop. So here Madin has delivered two sentences, right? One sentence is I don't want to go to the dentist. Full stop. Again one more sentence is continuing. Should I close the inverted comma here? No. ரெண்டு sentence கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா அது ரெண்டுமே நீங்க quotation உள்ள தான் எழுதணும். not 2 3 4 எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருந்தாலுமே once நீங்க open quotation கொடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா அந்த sentence முடியற வரைக்கும் நீங்க எழுதிட்டே இருக்கலாம். Okay. Now here let's continue writing that I am scared of him. I am scared of him. And it's end with full stop. So full stop போடுறதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் I need to put the quotation, closing quotation. Clear? Closing quotation போடுறதுக்கு அதுக்கு அப்புறமா நீங்க full stop போட்டீங்கன்னா that will be wrong. Okay? So what are the changes we have done here? Here after writing this speaker name we need to put the comma to introduce the speech and then that speech should be written in the inverted commas, inverted quotation. And the quotation உள்ள தான் எழுதணும். அதே மாதிரி full stop இல்ல question mark இல்ல exclamation mark அது எது இருந்தாலுமே இந்த quotation mark உள்ள தான் நீங்க எழுதணும். இந்த quotation mark போட்டுட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறமா நீங்க வெளியே வந்து full stop வைக்க கூடாது. That is the wrong way of writing direct speech. So children, I hope you are clear with this exercise. I'll meet you in the next video by doing the next 3 questions. Thank you.